Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Droll Mantra of Souls tutorial video. This is actually the first of its kind. It's pretty magical, if you ask me. Um, but I would say that, wouldn't I? Anyway, so today we're going to be doing a Python style guide. This is the 1-2 Python style guide that you should refer to. You should refer to this and no others. If anyone tells you otherwise, they're lizards and they're trying to take over the government. Well, I already have. Anyway, that's beside the point. Here's a Python style guide. Okay, step 1, to opening up Python, use the keyboard shortcut, or you can open a text document and use Comic Sans. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to use keyboard shortcut. For me, it's Control-Shift-I, because I've configured everything. There it is. I believe the default is Alt F4, or if that doesn't work, just keep spamming Alt F4 and then press Enter at the end, and that should open up Python for you. So in the Python shell window, you're going to want to go to new window, or although you can just type in commands here, like sorry, that's not right. So yeah, it's pretty simple. There's not much to it. File, new window, and bada bing bada bap, that's a new Python document. Okay, so first the use of spaces and space. Yeah, so the use of space and space, it's all pretty simple. So you want to make everything really clear. So let's say we're writing down a variable name. We'll call it number. So you're gonna make everything really clear. We'll make it 12 because that's a nice number. Oh, I'll say that later. Sorry, habit. And then afterwards you want to leave a space. And then after that you'll want to go in and say we're going to print this number. Print. You're going to have the stir. Oh, sorry, no. Sorry, you have to make it all very clear. So string stir, and then you print string. So it's all very simple, very easy to understand. Okay, so we've got to save it. Just save it here. And there we go. Oh, spelling errors, they happen. You should try and avoid them as much as possible. There we go, and that works. This is actually very incorrect. You might have seen that. You might say, no, that's correct. You'd be wrong. This is how you're supposed to write it. This is how it should be written. Actually, I tell a lie. This program is entirely terrible. There we go. Now it's perfect. Okay, next, use of comments. So comments can be used to make things clear. So we can type in prints is there 12. The comments are for idiots who can't understand their own programming. So never use them ever. Oh, except for hilarious jokes. Yeah, and puns like I'm not very good at jokes. How about get it? It's very meta. Anyway. Anyway, next on we have the use of object-oriented programming. Now, object-oriented programming is very important in Python. You use things like def and class. It's obviously a very important thing for people to learn and understand, and that's why you should never use it at all. It's entirely useless. I mean, why do? I don't even know how this works. Class bad. Class is bad. I think that's what it is. Def. I don't know. However, you can have yeah. I mean, class. Oh, also, another thing. You might say, hey, Jack, you can use PyCharm. No, it's actually a very dangerous file, as you can see. Don't use PyCharm. Yeah, so you gotta use the true thing. Anyway, so now this is just an example, of course. In action, there are a few other things. So you got your variable names. I'll show you a good example of variable name use in a second. So this program we've been working on for quite a while. It's in the imaginatively named games folder. Here it is. And here's how you should name your variables. Here's a good one, MD. Now this obviously stands for mouse down, and UK does not stand for United Kingdom. If you think that, you are quite frankly stupid. So please click off the video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm doing a free gift card giveaway. I'm giving away my soul. Anyway, yeah, so this is how you should name your variables. Very succinct. There's no problem with that. And make sure never to use class. That's the sound of success. That's a check you should do every time. It's okay if it's in a string. Less so if it's yellow. It's yellow. Remove it. That's not for everything. You need import. You also got to do def. That's the sound of success. What can I say? I'm an excellent programmer in every way. Oh yes, and here are some miscellaneous tips and tricks. If you want to get Python to run really quickly, what you do is at the start of every program, you do a to make programs run really nicely. You do a while true loop. Now, especially this works for games. Now you need something to go in your while true loop, so I'm obviously just going to go just a quick fun little thing, and there we go. And now you can run the program, and yeah, it's working considerably better than before, I'd say. Yep, there we go. Anyway, so yeah, so that's my Python style guide, the one true Python style guide. Sorry, I should say this. There we go. There we go, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you got to a little winky face at the end. Thanks for watching.